If you set up any custom domains for your redirect links, there's a couple of things to know about managing them. So in this video, we'll do a very quick overview of how to manage your keyword domains on your websites and your unhosted domains that you've pointed to our domain servers for keyword redirect links or short links. And we'll also look at how to repair your website domains if you ever need to. All of the domains that you have set up for keyword links are under the domains button in the header. Clicking on it shows you the status of each domain, and clicking on a domain takes you to the management page for that domain. Here's what it looks like on my demo account for the site I added earlier, stufftotry.com. As with all the management pages for redirect links, destination links, and domains, the small buttons on the top are the different actions you can do, and the big buttons on the bottom are the different settings. With any link redirection service with links like this, which run from your website, it's possible that you or your web host might make changes that will cause your links to stop working. Like for instance, if you install WordPress and turn on permalinks. We know how important your links are, so we run a series of tests on your website domains once a day to confirm that everything is working correctly. And if there's a problem detected, we'll email you and we'll turn the domains button in the header red so you know to check. If there's a problem, go to the domain management page like we just did and click the repair domain button. And just like when you install the domain, you enter in your FTP information and it will automatically repair the domain in a couple of minutes. Or it will give you instructions to give to your web host to correct the problem. And if you need any help, contact us and we'll get your domain working again as fast as possible. If you like, you can do a manual test to confirm that everything is working right now by clicking the Test Domain Now button. And you can also see the last time a test was run in the Monitoring Setting button. And if you're getting notices about a domain that isn't working because you're no longer using Trackerly on that domain, but you're keeping all of your stats, you can turn off monitoring by clicking the Monitoring Setting button. If you want to see all the links on that domain, you can click on the Manage Links action button to bring them up in the wizard. And you can also use the filters to bring up only links from a specific domain in the reports. These kind of domains that run off of your website need to have a 404 page. When you installed the domain, you told the installer to either use your home page, an existing 404 page, or for us to upload a generic 404 page for you. You can see what your 404 page is by clicking on it here, or you can change it by clicking on the Edit 404 page. If you have a WordPress site, these settings don't matter as WordPress will handle your 404 page. And if you're no longer using your domain, click on the Disable Domain button to remove the Trackerly code from your website with our uninstaller. Or you can just delete the /Trackerly folder from your website yourself with an FTP program, and of course, tell it to stop monitoring your domain. And if you want to take the extra step of deleting all the data associated with the domain, click the Delete Data button. This will remove all the clicks from Trackerly as if they had never happened from all of the redirect links on that domain. And it will remove those same clicks from the stats on the destinations they were sent to. The Append Referrer button is something that you'll probably not use, but a few people have requested it. It's for people who collect stats on their 404 page. If you click it to turn it on, Trackerly will send to your 404 page a variable called request that contains the URL of the page that was requested. And then you can use that variable in your own 404 page however you want. And finally, you can set up the default link juice for all new links created on the domain after the change is made. If it's set to 301, they will help the destination's SEO by sending link juice from wherever they're published to the destination. If they're set to 302, they will help the site where the links are published by keeping the link juice from leaking out to the destination. And if you're seeing less options than you see here, that's because you're looking at a domain where the DNS is pointed to our servers. Options like testing and repairing the domain are not required in this case, as we handle it all for you. Now you know everything about keyword link domains. And remember, if you ever make any significant changes to your domain, like installing or removing WordPress, to check to see if your links work afterwards. And if they don't, just do a repair and you'll be back up and running in minutes. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.